This is an interesting little new tool that I've got here. So I've got it connected to this 13 Pro Max, which is on iOS 17.4.1. So we're going to single mode this. That's going to check the state of health, which is 70, and the times it's charged is 1240. So let's have a little look at this. We're going to modify that by pressing this button here. That back to 100. Okay, times charged, we'll knock that down to 0. Took a while, wouldn't it? Now this has got an interesting story actually. It's a Apple replacement phone. So a couple of months ago, my customer destroyed his phone, took it to Apple and replaced it under the Apple Care warranty, and they give him this phone, which has done much more than it should have, I think, for being a replacement phone for the one that he damaged. You'd expect to get a brand new battery, not one that's been used for 3 years or 2 years, however long it is. And yeah, so we're gonna get this fitted back in the phone. We'll turn the phone back on, we'll see what happens. I will reset the phone first so it thinks that there's no battery, so it resets the battery. I've got a little cable actually that I think does that come with this tool. Where have I hidden that? Could have sworn I had that. I'm going to find that and then we're going to have a little look to see what we can do. Here it is. Got a little extra cable here. I wonder what that says. Let's find out. So here's my little connector. I'm going to try it on the boot function, which illuminates the little red light on the right, as a green light on the left. And we're going to boot the phone up. Let's just plug it in. And hopefully, after we've plugged it in, it'll turn on and say that the phone has got a the wrong battery in, basically. So we've got that all-important battery message come up. So we'll now switch the switch to the left and boot the phone back up and see what the battery health says in the settings. This is the iOS version that's on this phone at the moment. So let's switch this over from that to that, to the green light illuminates, and then it should say, fingers crossed, 100% in the battery settings. So there we have it, maximum capacity 100%. Battery's all good and working. So fantastic, job's a good one. And just to double check, I just checked it on the machine again. So the state of charge is 100%, state of health is 100%, and the cycle times is 0. How cool's that? Nice new little machine, this one. Now this is the new battery that I'll be fitting on the left here. So I'll be taking the BMS off here and placing it onto this one. Very good. Almost there. I've taken that BMS away from there, and now I'm going to fit it onto the new one, onto the new battery. And there we go. We have a fully fixed iPhone 13 Pro Max with a brand new battery, all ready to rock and roll. So I'm happy with that one. See you in the next one.